Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. It's great to be here with you for Manufacturing Day. First of all, Mike, thank you. How about a round of applause? He lacks a little bit of enthusiasm. Mike Galliazzi did a great job. Thank you, you and everyone at RMI, and along with Mike Kelleher and his team at the Maryland Manufacturing Extension Partnership for hosting this event. Our Commerce Department was proud to be the prime sponsor. We want to thank all of the other sponsors who helped make it possible today. And it's particularly fitting, I think, today on Manufacturing Day to be here to help shine a spotlight on the manufacturing industry in Maryland. And I think that this showcase presents an excellent opportunity to connect some of our talented students coming out of Maryland's leading universities and colleges with some of the best advanced manufacturers in our state. And I got a chance to see some of the student exhibits just a few moments ago, and it's just incredible. Let's give all the students that participated a great big round of applause. I'm looking forward to seeing all the rest of the exhibits from the manufacturing companies as well, and just to see all the creative and innovative projects that are on display here today. For the students here today, I mean, you really do have a great opportunity to explore potential career opportunities with some of Maryland's premier manufacturers. And the cutting edge products and processes that are on display and represented here today exemplify the bright and exciting future of manufacturing in our state. Embracing technology and employing some of the latest digital applications will help Maryland manufacturers to compete and win on a global scale in key industries like defense, electronics, medical, robotics, and many more. Your efforts are helping to make Maryland an even better place to innovate and grow our economy. And we're working hard to make Maryland an even better place for you manufacturers to do business. The focus of our administration has been on helping businesses grow, on creating more jobs for our citizens, and on turning our economy around. And we've been doing exactly what we said we were going to do. In the years just before I took office, Maryland had lost 8,000 businesses and 100,000 jobs. And sadly, we had lost 20% of our manufacturing base and nearly 30,000 manufacturing jobs. Over the last almost 3 years, we have had an incredible economic resurgence in our state. We had the best year for business in Maryland in 15 years. We had the best year for job growth in a little over a decade. And we went from losing 100,000 jobs to gaining 130,000 jobs here in the state. We went from an 8% unemployment rate to 3.9%. So that's worth an applause. One of the fastest rates of job growth in the nation. It's the lowest our unemployment rate has been in a decade. And we had positive growth in manufacturing jobs in Maryland for the first time in 18 years. That's really terrific, and you guys made it happen. We've had the best jump in GDP growth of all 50 states. And in 2014, sadly, Maryland's overall economic performance ranked 49th out of 50 states. And as of a couple of weeks ago, we now rank number 7 in the United States of America, 42 spots. That is the best economic turnaround of any state in America, and Maryland truly is open for business. We're proud of the progress that we're making, and when it comes to manufacturing, we're just getting started. As Mike pointed out, our More Jobs for Marylanders Act, and thank you all here for helping us get it passed. Give yourselves a big round of applause for helping us with this legislation. This legislation encourages and incentivizes manufacturers to create more jobs in the areas where we need them the most, like the Lower Shore, Western Maryland, Baltimore City. And we're now enabling manufacturers to instantly accelerate the depreciation on their capital assets, which is something that our manufacturers push for. And it really is helping you to invest in the latest new technology, and it's freeing up capital so that you can invest in more manpower and in the jobs of the future. And it also is an incentive for job creation and expanding businesses, because we provide a refundable state income tax credit for each and every new job created for 10 years. With matching grants for workforce training, scholarships for students, and job training programs, and a state income tax for apprenticeships. All of these things will help, and we believe will help all of you to create thousands of more jobs, more advanced manufacturing jobs right here in Maryland. This morning, I'm also pleased to announce that we are going to provide a $2 million grant to RMI from our Maryland Energy Administration. And we're doing this through our Maryland Energy Administration Next Generation Energy Efficiency Gains Program. RMI previously received a grant through the program to help manufacturers in BGE's territory to improve their energy efficiency. And that project was a big success, helped manufacturers reduce their energy bills by more than $840,000. This new grant of $2 million over the next 3 years will also now help Maryland manufacturers in the Delmarva and Pepco service areas reduce their energy expenses. And it will also allow them to access the Maryland Energy Administration's other programs to help make their facilities more energy efficient. We're excited about the manufacturing resurgence here in our state. We're proud of the innovation and creativity at work every single day among all of you, Maryland's manufacturers, and the great people that work for your manufacturing companies. I just want to thank you again for putting on this terrific event today and allowing me to be a part of it. Maryland is open for business, and we thank you for all the great work you're doing in helping us grow this economy and put more people to work. At this time, I'd like to ask Mike Galeazzo and Mike Kelleher to come forward so I can present them with an official governor's citation officially declaring Manufacturing Month here in Maryland.